We have another masterpiece. It's from Afghanistan. It's called Turkmen design. Look at the beauty of this carpet. It's elephant foot pattern, beautiful, lot of work, excellent border, very fine quality. And this carpet is wool on wool. You can look at it. This is cotton and wool. And here it's normally the border are small, but this carpet is the border is quite wide, and the design called elephant foot pattern, and it's for very, very heavy traffic. Go very well with the modern furniture and wooden flooring. It looks very nice, and they have some very unusual color. Is orange color, and the carpet size is 6.3 times 9 feet. This carpet comes with a certificate guarantee card. It's a genuine hand-knotted masterpiece from Afghanistan. So, if you'd like to find out more, see the beauty of this carpet, please visit our showroom at Jalan Yapkwang Singh. Have a nice day. Thank you.